Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure. Go straight along this street until you get to the river, then turn right and walk along Riverbank Street for 3 blocks. You'll see a bridge on your left. Go across the bridge and walk for 1 block. The library will be on your left.
Excuse me, is there a pharmacy near here?
Yes, there's one not far from here. Take the first right and walk along the street for 3 blocks. You'll see a park on your left. Go past the park and there'll be a pharmacy on your left.
Excuse me, where's the nearest grocery store?
No problem. Take the first left and walk along the street until you pass a park. Stay on that street for 3 more blocks, then turn right. Go across the bridge and walk straight ahead until you reach 2 buildings. The grocery store will be the building on your right.
Excuse me, how can I get to the nearest bank?
Sure, no problem. Take the first left and go to the end of the street. Turn right, then take the first left. Go straight ahead for 3 blocks and turn right again. The bank will be on your right. You'll see the river and a bridge from there.
Excuse me, where is the post office?
Take the first left and stay on the street until you reach a bridge. Don't cross that bridge. Turn right and continue along the street until you come to a second bridge. Walk across the second bridge and go straight for 1 block. You'll see the post office on your right.